What should one look out for in the quest for a good bra?
If you're going out to buy a bra, first consider what's the purpose of the bra. That is it for a slinky black dress you're going to wear for dinner? Is it your everyday bra that you're going to, wear every day, Monday to Friday as you go to work? Is it your sports bra? So what are you buying the bra for? And I always tell women to consider, the first thing to consider is the comfort. Is it comfortable when you put it on? Does it work for you? There's no need to buy a screaming pink bra if you're always in a white top, So is it comfortable? Is it fulfilling that purpose? So that's the first thing to consider. If it's for that little black dress, I always tell women, carry the dress to the shop, try on the bra, and then put on the dress. See how it looks like. You might like the most beautiful lacy little number that just looks fantastic, but how will it look when you put on the dress? Will it be able to be seen? And another thing is brides, when they're going to buy wedding underwear, please either carry your dress or carry your bridal underwear to the final fitting of your dress, so that you know, so that you see. Don't forget, there will be pictures taken, you'll be dancing, it's a long day, you don't want to be readjusting in your gown or be uncomfortable. So I always tell people, please just first take your time, make sure it's comfortable, and wear the right bra for the right occasion. If you're wearing the right bra, it should be comfortable. Most women hate bras, and it's the first thing they remove after a long day, simply because they're wearing the wrong one and it's hurting them and it's uncomfortable. If it's the right one, it ought not to do that.